beautiful. I can smell the mango chutney coming through. This is a quick, light and flavor-packed curry. It's something that the whole family will enjoy. This looks wonderful. This is where a lot of the creaminess comes from. I'm gonna fill in my bowl generously. I'm gonna be cooking a mild but vibrant and packed with flavors curry today. It is the Cauliflower Korma with Basmati rice and chapatis. So I'm gonna start by finely chopping my shallots, and this is a great curry recipe. There's not a lot of prep to do. It's something that the whole family will enjoy because korma typically is very mild, and our korma is mild. It has sweetness to it as well with the mango chutney, so I think this is going to be a winner with eaters of all age. Next I'm going to chop the tomatoes, but I'm going to give them a good rinse first. Then we need to open the cardamom pods. You kind of just smack them to open them up to release all the flavors. So they're not very nice to eat, but they give you a lot of flavor. And then the last step is the cauliflower. Cut it into florets. Let's try to make them all sort of equal size as much as we can. Something like this is a good size. I've lined my oven tray. I'm going to place my cauliflower florets on the tray. Then I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of vegetable oil. Next goes in the Garam masala spice. And then a good pinch of salt. I'm just going to massage them a little bit to make sure that the cauliflower pieces all have a nice coating. That's looking good, and it's going to go into the oven for about 20 minutes. So next we'll cook the rice. I've got some basmati rice. I'm going to give it a good rinse. So the idea with rice is to bring it to boil, and once the water is boiling, you reduce the heat to quite low and you cover it with a lid. And this way, within the steam, the rice gets cooked in about 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, we can start with the korma. So I'm going to add in the shallots. I'm going to reduce that a little bit. I don't want them to burn. Couple of minutes done, let's add some spices in. So I'm going to start with the ginger garlic paste. Super staple in Indian cooking. You can't do a curry without ginger garlic paste. We'll add the curry powder, then we'll add the coriander, a lovely mild spice. We'll add in these cardamom pods. Then for the vibrant color, we're going to need some turmeric. We're going to add just a pinch of nutmeg. I've got quite a bit here, but I'm going to go carefully, so I'm going to actually just take a pinch. And give it all a good stir. So we're going to start by adding some water. And then I'm going to add the coconut milk. It is a little bit lighter than your average takeaway curry that typically is very creamy, very heavy. I'm going to add my stock cube. I'm going to bring in the tomatoes. Then we're going to add in the almond flour. This is where a lot of the creaminess, the thickness comes from, and the sweetness into the curry, as well as the mango chutney. So my cauliflower is nearly ready in the oven. I'm going to use the oven to warm up my chapatis. In case you don't want to use the oven, you could easily steam or boil the cauliflower. We're just using the oven to add that extra roasted flavor. So my rice is ready. I'm going to switch off the heat and I'm going to keep it covered under the lid. This looks wonderful. So I'm going to take my chapati and put it here on my serving dish. Then I'm going to lift the cauliflower. I'm going to fold them gently in, and that's it, and we're ready to eat. It smells beautiful. I can smell the mango chutney coming through and the creaminess of the coconuts. I'm going to fill in my bowl generously. I'm going to add in the rice. And then I'm just going to take a couple of coriander stalks. Ready. This is a quick, light and flavor-packed curry that the whole family can enjoy. For more fast and easy curry recipes, you can click here. But for now, bon appetit.